Hey there, welcome to day 2, and now we need to cover the onboarding process over here. So a new user come into the app and they sign up, they enter their details, then they need to go through the onboarding process. So that's how the app will understand what is the user all about, how much the user understand the process of UI UX design and how we can improve the user, right? So very easy. Again, we will try to cover these pages, and I guess yesterday we created this page as well, right? So we don't need to recreate it, we already have it. Then again, we have the pop-up which we need to create. Then we have general detail as well. Right now I think this screen and this screen are the same, so this is basically once user put their detail, that's how it looks, right? Then again, what will you use Excel for? So this is again another questionnaire that needed to be filled. This is how when user select the specific selection. Okay, then we have those like what are your interest, what interest you the most. So these are again another tags that we need to select. So again, unselected version and then selected version. Okay, now again we have the another field like start design learning habit and set daily reminder. So you can also set reminder over here. Very easy. And then lastly, save and continue. So yeah, let's do it. This day is very easy, and trust me, it will not take a lot of time. Just like yesterday we spent too much time on it, and today will be not that much time, but you need to keep practicing. You need to keep this thing off. If not this one, if once you completed it, then you need to try something else as well. Pick something from online, from Dribble, and try to copy it, and that's how your skill will be improved, and you will keep improving. Okay, perfect. So I will just copy this screen, the onboarding screen from the day 1, copy this and paste it over here. Perfect. So this screen is almost created. Let me double check it. Perfect. Here is continue button. Okay, all good. Let's delete this and bring it over here. But I think I will try to copy it. Okay, since we need to create this screen as well. Okay, perfect. So let's try and copy this pop-up. So to copy that, what I need to do is very easy, is to this text over here, cancel and done, and then we have this selection, which is basically by default user can select their category. Okay, and boom, that's it. So let's do it. I will come over here and try to, with the help of this rectangle, we will draw this shape. Okay, perfect. I will make sure it is the same. So this is the same. Now I will make sure to make it white. Okay, and again I will try to just round up this, the above corners, right? I will not play with this. Okay, so to do that, again I will come over here, and corner radius I will just make sure to do this one and this one. Perfect. I think 14. Yeah, it is 14. Let me double check. Okay, perfect. So I really think we need that in the in, but I did it first. But yeah, that's how we can like do that. Okay, again we need the cancel text. So I will just hit T and type cancel. Okay, since it's white I am unable to see it, so I will just select all and give it a color, and this is the color that we need to select. Okay, perfect. Wow, the text is exactly the same, and with the help of option and drag select, I will try to type done as well, and I will make sure, I think the done is basically a bit bolder, so I'll make sure to make it semi bold. Okay, now it's done. The next thing that we really need is basically this line. So for the line, I will again come to shape, select line, and draw a line like this. Okay, perfect. Now the line is white, so again I will change the color to this. Right now, if you see over here, this line is basically thinner than this one, so we will just decrease the size by maybe 0.5. Okay, now it's fine. Cool. Now the line is created successfully. Okay, then we have another two lines, so I will just hold option and copy this line. I will give it since it's a bit thicker, so I'll make it 1 pixel. Perfect. And since we need 2, so I will just make sure align this with over here, and with the help up option I will copy this one as well. Perfect. Now again I will write this text. So to do that, I will just write UX UI designer. Okay, and I will make sure to make it black like this. Okay, and I will also make sure that both texts are the same. Okay, now this one is let me first make it medium, I guess. Yes, and I will, yeah, with the help, I just the lines, the character letter spacing, I decreased it, and now it's matching perfectly. Okay, so we have the UI UX designer or UX UI designer, then product designer. Okay, and I will put over here, and again I will just select this color. Okay, so product designer, I will make it regular. I think medium size is fine. Then we have UX designer. All right, now we have some to apply some logic over here, because if you see over here, this text is condensed, right? So we need to make the same like this. I think this is basically regular. Okay, and I really think this should be also regular. Okay, and maybe bits smaller, but let's keep it for now, let's keep it like this. Okay, so to do that, very easy, I will try to make it platen. All right, and now it basically convert the text into vector format, right? So right now we can play with that. I will just now decrease the size, the height, okay, and from the top as well, and I make sure that those both are the same. Okay, so right now it is almost the same, just needed to play with the color. Okay, boom, perfect. So this is the same. Now lastly we have to do the graphic designer, so again I will just copy and okay, graphic designer, again I will flatten it. All right, and I will decrease the height like this. Okay, and right again I will select this text. Perfect. So we created this pop-up as well. So what I gonna do is to select those text. All right, unselect this one, and now I will drag it to do it like this. Perfect. And Command G to make it grouped, and what I can do over here, for example, if I take it over here, now you can see over here that it doesn't look like this. Okay, so to do that we can easily just we need to draw a rectangle again on the top of this frame. So like this, I will make it completely black and give it opacity. So till it make sure, you need to also be a visual artist as well, right? Okay, perfect. So now I will take this over here. All right, one thing that we needed over here is basically this menu bar as well. So now I'll match it like this. Wonderful. So we created this pop-up as well.